Yeah, absolutely. We have a snowstorm that looks headed our way. It'll be a huge system. It'll come across the United States and bring snow and bring high winds as well. So let's start there. We'll start with the end of the week to tell you what's coming, and then I'll work our way backwards. Thursday and Friday, snow that'll fall heavily at times and winds that'll start to pick up. And when you take those powerful winds, you combine them with the snow and with the blowing snow, you could develop blizzard conditions around here. How much snow? Our models are spitting out different amounts, but right now it would be unwise to give you any totals because it's really unpredictable at this point how much we'll see. But it should be a substantial snow around Chicago together with the high winds, together with brutal cold this weekend. We'll probably have wind chill advisories or wind chill warnings as we go into Saturday and Sunday. Our future clouds and radar shows what's coming our way as we take Monday and go through the week here. It's very quiet, could pick up some flurries tonight, but as we get to the end of the week, that's when the system comes in here that can deliver this snow. Saturday then, 14 degrees, windy conditions, and all this snow on the ground that'll be very dry snow that can blow around very easily. And then Sunday, mostly cloudy skies and 18 degrees for Christmas Day. So it's a situation that affects us starting on Thursday into Friday, and then after it's done, we have blowing snow and we have the frigid cold temperatures. Right now it's quiet outside. A look at DeKalb here. You have clear skies at NIU's Department of Meteorology. You got the moon up in the sky. It's really a lovely morning, but the clouds will move in as we go through the day. 11 degrees right now with a feel-like temperature of 1 degree at O'Hare. It's 7 at Wonder Lake. It's 11 degrees at Lombard, and down to the south we have 11 degrees at Valparaiso. Some clouds around, more on the way, as you can see to the south of us moving in, and we're going to have a cold day today, but the next 3 days really are quiet compared to the end of the week. So today we're looking at building clouds and temperatures that rise to the upper 20s in Chicago. It's the end of the week we're worried about, so kind of quiet over the next few days. Some flurries in the air. Temperature 29 today, 32 tomorrow, then colder 20 degrees on Wednesday. Then we have an alert up for you to pay attention to the weather on Thursday and Friday, particularly as the snow falls heavily with the winds. Thursday, Friday, and all that snow on the ground gets blown around by the wind. And then Saturday and Sunday, brutal cold. Temperatures 14 to 18 degrees. And with the wind, we could have wind chill warnings around Chicago. So brutal weekend.
Oh, my goodness. It looks like it. Ed, thank you so much.